Hi class, and today we're going to look at solving one-step algebraic equations, which are the most straightforward type of algebraic equations that we solve. The first example we're going to look at is x minus 7 equals 15. Now, in order to solve this equation, there's two big things you have to be thinking about. One is opposite operations, and the second thing is balance. Our goal is to get x by itself. How do we do that? We're going to use opposite operations. X is being subtracted by 7, so we're going to think about what's the opposite of that. The opposite of subtracting 7 is adding 7. So we're going to add 7 to the left-hand side of the equation. Now we're going to do the exact same thing to the right-hand side of the equation. That's the balance part of this. The equation's not true unless you balance it out. Minus 7 and plus 7, they cancel each other out. And what we're left with is just x on the left-hand side of the equation. And now on the right hand we have 15 plus 7. Now 15 plus 7 gives us 22. So the solution to our equation here is that x would be 22. Now some of you might have been able to figure that one out in your head just by looking at it, which is great. But the main thing we want to focus on is knowing that algebraic process. Alright, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to try the second equation now. Just press pause and give it a shot on your own. Okay, now that you've tried the second equation, what we're going to do is we're going to look at it together. It's 8 equals 4 plus x. So this equation looks like it's set up differently, but it's the exact same type of procedure. We're trying to get, our goal again is to get x by itself. So what do we need to get rid of? 4 is being added to it, so we need to get rid of that 4. Since the 4 is positive, the opposite of it's going to be negative. So we're going to have to subtract 4 in order to get rid of the positive 4 on this side. Now we have to do the exact same operation to the other side of the equation, subtract 4. Now, the positive 4 and the negative 4 cancel out, and we're left with the positive, just regular x, on the right-hand side of the equation. On the left-hand side, we're left with 8 minus 4, which most folks know is going to give us 4. So in our second equation, we know that x equals 4, 4 equals x. Doesn't matter the order, or if it's on the left or the right, as long as we know and we have x by itself.